Now the first question, the length of rectangle is 8 centimeter and its area is 48 centimeter. Find the perimeter. So just be very careful about what is given and what we need to find. Okay, so they are asking us to find perimeter first. So to find a perimeter of a rectangle, definitely we need two units. One is length and another one is breadth. Okay, but in this question they have mentioned only length. So using area, first I need to find the breadth value, and then using these two I am going to find the perimeter. Okay, so first have that clarity, what we need to find, what is given from that. So we know the formula for area of rectangle, which is L into B is your area, right? So just substitute the values. What is L given? 8 centimeter. B I need to find, area is given as 48. So B is equal to 48 over 8. That is, when here it's multiplication, right? When it transforms to the right hand side, it's going to be divide. So I can cancel this how many times? 6 times. So 6 centimeter is its breadth now. So I got both the values, length and breadth. We need to find the perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Formula for perimeter is 2 times L plus B. So just substitute here. 2 times L is 8, B is 6. So 2 times 14, which gives you 28 centimeter. Therefore your answer is option D. Yes, so this kind of questions which are completely based on formulas, once if you are thorough with the formulas, then you can easily simplify the questions by your choice. Now it's time to the second question. Each diagonal of square is 14 centimeter, its area. So usually we used to find the area of square when side is given. In this case, the given one is diagonal. So do you know the formula for finding area of square when diagonal is given? Any idea about this? Yeah. So formula is A is equal to D square by 2 square units. So make a note of it. When diagonal is given, just consider a square, and we all know the sides will be equal in square, so everything is going to be A. When diagonal is given to you, which I am just denoting with D, you need to substitute here. So D value is given as 14 in our question. So 14 times 14 by 2. So you can just cancel any one 14 or 7 times. So 14 sevens are 98 centimeter square. So your answer is option C. I hope you know the formula for area of square when side is given. When side is given, we are supposed to use A into A square units, or few they used to S into S. So notation doesn't matter. You must be very careful with the concept there. We need to multiply the sides there. Okay, when side is given. When diagonal is given, you need to square it and find half of that. So D square by 2. So 14 times 14 over 2. I am cancelling with 7. 14 sevens are 98. So there are two kind of formulas for area of square. One is in terms of side and another one is in terms of diagonal. So be clear with this one. Now next, question number 3. The area of parallelogram is 100 centimeter square. If the base is 25, then find its height. I hope you know how the parallelogram would be look like. So we can say it's like a slanting rectangle. Okay, so this is going to be your base and this will be your height. This almost exactly same like rectangle only. Yeah, so like rectangle we are using the formula length into breadth, right? Here we are going to use the formula for area of parallelogram, base into height. Okay, but in this question it's completely opposite. They gave the answer which is 100. Base is 25 into height. So to find height, what I need to do, I need to bring this down. So 100 by 25. So how many times? 4 times. So height is equal to 4 centimeter. Where is the option? Yeah, it's here. That's all the answer. Yes, from here itself you can say the system base we are multiplying with height will give you 100. By looking wise we can say the answer 25. How many times 100? 4 times. So your answer is 4. Okay, in order to make you clearly understanding, I am just using the formulas and steps and so on. Whereas these kind of questions you can easily find the answer just by looking the questions, right? Yeah. Next, question number 4. The length and breadth of rectangle are 3x plus 4 centimeter, 4x minus 3 centimeter. They're using some algebraic expressions over there. They're representing length and breadth with this, and we need to find x value and perimeter is given to you. So we are going to frame one equation here. It's going to be look like an it's a linear equation. Yeah. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 times L plus B gives perimeter. This is what the formula. I am just writing in the reverse. Since answer is given, we are supposed to find the x value. So 2 times, what is the L value which is given? 3x plus 4. Just to substitute same, plus B is 4x minus 13. 4x minus 13 gives you 94. Okay, now the entire term is 2 times. Okay, so I'm going to bring this 2 to the opposite side, which will give you 94 by 2. And just you simplify these terms inside the bracket. 3x 4x gives you 7x. 13 minus 4 gives you negative 9. Yeah, it's a greater number symbol. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Greater number containing negative. So your answer is negative there. So 7x minus 9 and 2 I am bringing to the opposite side, which becomes divide. So 7x minus 9 is equal to, you can cancel this. What is off of 94? 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 47 is given. So 7x 9 just transform here, it becomes plus 9. So 7x is equal to 47 plus 9 is 56. Now again simplify this. X is equal to 56 over 7. When I am cancelling this, you are going to have 8. That's it, answer. Okay, just make sure these kind of questions, all things what I'm going to do here is I'm just transforming the terms which are in the left side to the right hand side. Okay, when plus is there, when it transforms minus, when multiply is there, it transforms to divide, when minus is there, it transforms plus. So all these are comes under just linear concepts. Yeah, you are supposed to find x value at the end. So step by step you need to move terms one by one to the opposite side. When you are moving them opposite sides completely, the symbols are going to reverse. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide, divide becomes multiply. All these are just basic concepts which I taught you already when we are talking about linear equations as well. Okay, if you want, you can check that video also in our playlist. Now let us move to question number 5. The area of rhombus is 119 centimeter square and its perimeter is 56 centimeter. The height of rhombus is given. I hope you have idea about rhombus. So in general we are using this diagram for rhombus, which is like a slanting square. Yeah, so just like in square, rhombus also containing all equal sides. So A and A. So given value is 56, right? So 4 times A is given as 56. So what is A now? 56 over 4. So it's nothing but 14 times centimeter. Yeah, now here the thing is, this 14 acts as a base of your rhombus, right? See, when I am just converting this like this, yeah, so this 14 is going to act like a base, and I'm going to find the height, which is what they are asking, and given is area. So what formula I'm going to use? Rhombus, you have two kind of formulas. One is B into H, same what we have used for parallelogram, that can be used to here for rhombus as well. When diagonals are given, we supposed to use half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So there are two kind of formulas for area of rhombus, but here since this question is based on height, we need to deal with the first formula. So B times H is 119, which is given in the question already. Now base, now only we have found it's 14. So 14 times H is equal to 119. So H is equal to 119 by 14. Just find how many times it is, and I'll leave this question in your hand. You try and do it by yourself. Yes, can you try it by yourself? That's fine, and if you are finding the answer, let me know your answer in the comment box. Next, we'll move to this question number 6. The length of diagonal of rhombus. Yeah, this is what I was saying in the previous question. This question is dealing with diagonal of rhombus. So what happens here is, again, area is given, one diagonal is given, we're supposed to find the another diagonal. So let us check out the answers, and what is the formula we are going to use here? Half times d1 times d2 is equal to area. So just write out of one diagonal is given as 16 and another diagonal we need to find it, so up to 26. So I can cancel this as 8 times, right? So just bring this 96 over 8. Okay, when this is in terms of multiply, when it transforms to the opposite side, it becomes divide. So how many 8s are 96? It's clearly 12 times. So your another diagonal is 12 centimeter. So just by using the formula, substituting the values, you can easily find the terms whatever is missing there. Okay, sometimes area will be given, perimeter will be given, length will be asked, diagonal will be asked, base will be asked. Whatsoever they are giving, everything is completely based on only the formula. So you must know the formula for each and every shape's area as well as perimeter. Now let us move to question number 7. Each side of an equilateral triangle is 8 centimeter. I think this is the first question in this series with the area of triangle, and this case they are mentioning clearly it's equilateral triangle. Do you have any idea about area of equilateral triangle when side is given? So we know that equilateral triangle containing all sides equal, right? So it's going to be A, it's A, it's A. If you don't know, just to make a note of this formula, area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 over 4 A square. So this is the formula which we are using for area of equilateral triangle. Substitute A value here, that's it's very simple. So root 3 over 4, your A is given as 8, so 8 times 8. Make sure A square is given, so we must write that in terms of product 2 times. Now just simplify 4, 8, you can cancel, it's 2, so 2 8s are 16, so our answer is 16 root 3 square centimeter. Okay, options doesn't have square centimeter, it's actually square centimeter. Okay, just make a note of it. Just 16 root 3, it's square centimeter is the answer. Yeah, all the options must contain square centimeter. Actually it's a typing error. Okay, so apologies for it. I hope you understand this one, right? Yeah, so make note of all these formulas. If you find these formulas are new to you, just make a note of it, because I guess I have come across many students, they don't have a diagonal of size square is given. The same way equilateral triangle area is given, they know only the direct formulas like of into b into h, which we are using for regular triangle, but in particular when they are mentioning about equilateral triangle, this is the way we are going to write. Now let us move to last question of this video. Yeah, I'm just coming with only 8 questions since the concepts is little bit heavy, I felt. 8th question, here the length and breadth of rectangle are in the ratio 3:2 if its area is 216 centimeters. So in this case neither length neither breadth are given there, so we need to find both length and breadth, and then we supposed to find the perimeter. So this is going to be a little bit lengthy one, but here the clue they give is length and breadth are in the ratio 3 and x. So here what you are going to take, let length be 3 times x and breadth be 2 times x. We don't know the x value, right? It's unknown, so it's something like times. When ratio is given, it's something talking about times. So 3 times x and 2 times x. What is given here? Area is given, so we know that length into breadth is gives you area. So 3 times x multiply with 2 times x gives you 216 there. So 3x 2x is giving 6x square, which is 216, right? 3 2s are 6, x into x is x square. So when you need to find x square, 216 over 6. So how many times this comes? 36. It's a very simple calculation, right? So x square is 36 now. So x square is 36. What is mean by x there? Root 36, which is nothing but what? 6 centimeter. So this is what your x value. Now what is your L? L is 3 times x. So 3 times x, which will give you 18 centimeter is your length, and breadth similarly 2 times x, which is 12 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter now? Perimeter is 2 times L plus B. They are not only asking length and breadth value, they are asking only perimeter. So 2 times 18 plus 12. So what is your answer now? 2 times 30, which is 60 centimeter. Yeah, I hope you got this. So this is how you are going to calculate the sums which are something out of your textbook. In your textbook you might be come across the direct questions in which you can substitute in the formula and you will find out the value of area and perimeter. When completely opposite kind of questions, only these kind of questions you can expect when you are appearing for any kind of competitive exams. And not only area and perimeter, other chapters also available in the playlist. Kindly check out the playlist. Class 7 Olympiad, class 6, class 8 is also available. So if you like this video, hit a like, and if you want me to give any suggestions, just post it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Catch you all in another video. Bye bye. Take care.